This group of fish, it will be 1,013 fish that I cleaned with the Whisker Seeker fillet knife without sharpening it. And here's how sharp it is still today. It's pretty sharp. This is what I do for a living, so I have to have good quality equipment. And I'm telling you right now, this knife is the sharpest and stays sharp, the best I've ever seen. So go to whiskerseekertackle.com. You can get you this and the bait knife for $45, and you will not be disappointed. Still smooth as a whistle. And I'm doing that with a bad thumb.